May national ID ka na ba? Well, kung wala pa, ang video na ito ay para sa iyo.
Morning's done, the day is one. Sun dancing and everything's fine. A gentle breeze, the city's slow. I take a seat, let the moment flow. A cup of coffee, sugar.
Hey everyone! Welcome to another vlog. In this video, I will give you a step-by-step process kung paano po ang pagkuha ng national ID. Take note guys, ginawa ko po ang video na ito para po sa ating mga kababayan na wala pa pong idea or nais pong malaman kung paano ang proseso ng pagkuha ng national ID. So first, ano nga ba ang Philippine National ID? Philippine National ID, also known as Philippine Identification System or the PhilSys ID. It is an official identity card for Filipinos. It also contains your name, date of birth, address, photo, and biometric for facial and finger scanning, and has a unique identification number in PSA system. So tara, ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung paano ang proseso ng pagkuha ng national ID.
Punta lang po kayo sa nearest PSA office. At dito guys, makikita nyo po ang first, second, up to third process. Sa first step po guys, need nyo pong humingi ng form, ganito pong klaseng form, at i-fill up nyo po all the necessary information na hinihingi. Okay?
Morning's done, the day is one. Sun dancing and everything's fine. A gentle breeze, the city's slow. I take a seat, let the moment flow. A cup of coffee, sugar falls in. I stir it slow, let the calm begin. In these quiet hours, I feel at ease. Like simple magic in moments like these. I find the magic in the everyday. In the sweetest sips, the sun slips away.
And then, after nyo po mag-fill up ng form, ipasa nyo agad ito sa counter 2, which is ito po yung verification ng ating information. At dito po is kukuhanan na tayo ng biometric ng finger scanning, facial scan, at lahat ng information na kakailanganin. And take note guys, ang step 2 po at step 3 ay same lang po ng process, which is ongoing registration ng national ID. For the requirements pala guys, is one valid ID lang po ang hiningi sa akin. And para naman po sa 0 to 4 years old, ito po ang mga requirements na kailangan. And then after 2 weeks, you will be advised to go back to the office to get your digital national ID. Wow! Bear in mind guys na digital ID lang po muna ang binibigay ni PSA officer. Dahil po ang mismong ID card ng ating national ID ay usually it takes up to 1 year to 2 years bago po ito ma-release. Okay? At dinideliver po ang mismong ID sa ating exact address na ibinigay.
And that's it for this video guys. Hope you find all my videos informative. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified whenever I uploaded my new videos. This is Inday Guapa, always saying if you have a dream, there to make it happen. Bye!
Thank you all for